a national disaster occurred. Lebanon's heart have been devastated and broken. Beirut wake up this morning on a closed eyes. Never want to see her eyes destroyed. This is tragic. 100 dead and more than 4,000 injured. Most of the building, offices around the ground zero have been devastated and destroyed. Destruction is everywhere. Lives shattered, lives lost, and a country in mourning. With this tragic incident and ongoing economic, social and hardship situation and COVID-19 pandemic situation that Lebanese citizens are facing, Gras for Society and Development had founded a relief and crisis committee directed toward the poor and low-income citizens. We are now in need for financial help for our projects to buy medicines, food rations, and the monthly rents, home renovation, and home furnishing as soon as possible. Yours truly, Abdurrahman Al-Hout, Gras for Society Development Board Member.